Una sa ating balitaan, tiniyak ng palasyo na ginagawa ng pamahalaan ang lahat ng legal at mapayapang pamamaraan upang maprotektahan ang mga teritoryong pilit na inaangkin ng bansang China. Para sa detalye, balitaan mo kami, Rocky Ignacio.
Ginagawa ng Pilipinas ang lahat para sa inaangking teritoryo sa West Philippine Sea. Ayon kay Presidential Communications Secretary Sunny Coloma, bukod sa paghahain ng memorial sa International Tribunal on the Law of the Sea or ITLOS, kaisa rin ng Pilipinas sa pagsusulong ng Code of Conduct sa usapin ng South China Sea sa loob ng ASEAN.
If we view the total context of our position, we have not limited ourselves to the filing of such case in the ITLOS or in the arbitral tribunal. In all the major international fora, in all the major international associations where our country is a part, we have firmly and staunchly advocated our position.
Suportado rin anya ng iba pang international community ang posisyon ng Pilipinas na resolbahin ang usapin sa territorial dispute sa mapayapang paraan. Nanawagan rin ang palasyo sa mga Pilipino na alamin ang kahalagahan nito sa interes ng bansa.
There are other international bodies that are providing support, such as the European Union and the European Community. So we will continue to rely on expressions, manifestations, and demonstrations of international solidarity, while also rallying our people to be cognizant of the important national interest that is at stake.
Iginit pa rin ang palasyo na nangingibabaw ang interes ng Pilipinas at hindi sa dikta ng sinumang bansa. Sinabi ito ng kalihim kaugnay sa pagsusulong ng increased rotational presence sa pagitan ng Pilipinas at Estados Unidos.
The West Philippine Sea does not represent the total of our national interest or our national security concerns. The agreement for enhanced defense cooperation between the Philippines and the U.S. must be viewed within the context of the fact that the Philippines has a strategic partnership with the United States. But that is to be viewed in the context of the totality of our defense and national security concerns, not just of a single concern such as the West Philippine Sea.
Nakatakdang bumisita sa Pilipinas si U.S. President Barack Obama ngayong buwan kung saan bahagi sa magiging agenda ng pulong kay Pangulong Aquino ang usapin ng defense and security.
Well, defense and security will definitely be a topic in the talks between President Aquino and President Obama. And when we talk of this topic, the most relevant issue that can be discussed would be the West Philippine Sea. So it's entirely within the realm of possibility. But I believe there are other issues that will be tackled since what is involved here is a strategic partnership between two countries.
Samantala, tiniyak naman ng Malacanang na sapat na ang memorial ng inihain sa ITLOS para ipagtanggol ng Ayungin Shoal. Sagot ito ng palasyo kaugnay na umano'y kailangang pagtatayo ng estruktura ang Pilipinas sa naturang lugar kung saan nagkaroon umano ng panghaharas sa mga sundalo mula sa Chinese Coast Guard.
Well, our claims on the territories in the West Philippine Sea are sufficiently amplified and justified in our filing of the memorial.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.